Hello guys, welcome back to Jhex Graphics. Trust you all are doing great. Today I will show you guys 1,000 plus resource files and ebooks you will need as a graphic designer. So these files are totally free. So all I need you to do as a means of appreciation is to like this video and subscribe and as well turn on the notification icon. So guys, you just need to follow me and I will lead you through all I have in stock for you guys. So these files are some of them are mine files and some of them are other files shared by some other professional designers. So as a great graphic designer that you are supposed to have all these files installed on your phone for easy access and for inspirations. All right. So I will head to my Google Drive where I have them all installed, both the shared files. So both the share files and my files. All right. So this is where I have them all installed. You just need to follow me and I will lead you through how they are used and how you can get them. All right. So I will click my files and I'll head back. I'll just head straight to where I have them installed. All right. So I have them installed on my premium packages list. So, like I said, there are some of these are mine and some are shared by some great graphic designers. All right. So these are ebooks, and this is totally free for you to download and go into the theories and practicals of how of the origins of design and color. As you can see here, you have digital color and graphics, design literacy, design elements, color design workbook, tutorials, courses, and the rest. So these are helpful ebooks for your next project and for your profession as a graphic designer. If you want to be better than you are, you need to go all through all this to get inspirations, to get more knowledge, and the rest. All right. So the next on the list is fonts. This contains a lot of fonts necessary for your designs and the rest. All right. So this just for fonts. And if we move further, we'll see HD backgrounds and yeah, frips. This frips contains multiple of icons. This frip contains multiple of icons, 3D backgrounds, crazy books, free pick, premium images, stock photos, ultimate fonts, and the rest. Even courses are included. So most of the designs I do, I usually get some of the resource files that are here. I usually get them from here, and some of the times I get them from Google Moss. But a lot of resources and files has been compiled on this folder. All right. So here you have background, premium backgrounds, and the rest. As you can see, they are all separated according to the lists, according to how they are used. So these backgrounds, as you can see, they are all divided. Here you can see cakes, Christmas, blur backgrounds, Behance backgrounds, church templates, comics, food packages, gaming, gym. This is just a folder that stores, as you can see, UI ideas. Maybe I'm into UI, UX design stuffs which we are going to still study in the future. So I'm going to still make tutorials on this in the future in this channel, right? So these are on splash collections and the rest. As you can see them, they are many, some thousands, some in the hundreds. And then you have wallpapers, as you can see, and then we have stock photos. All right, we have stock photos. As you can see, there are many of them that you can use for your design. So this is very good for those asking me how to get images from Google. But with this access, you can easily browse through an already made template, and already made designs, and already stored stuffs for your next project. All right, so all I need you to do is to subscribe, like this video, and as well hit the notification icon. So if you go through, you will see photography, HD flag. So let's go back. Let's go back. Let's leave the background and let's go back. All right. From here, you see crazy books for your next design. I can see these are necessary books that works on the design principles and the rest. So you will learn the design principles, how to do a lot of things using graphics. All right. See, thinking skills, money making skills, the rules, and a lot of very good and useful books are here. So all these I have in package for you. Like I said earlier, some of them are my books and some are made by other great graphic designers, right? And then here you have ultimate icons. Ultimate icons, as you can see, they are all folders containing hundreds of icons. And then as we move, you see free Udemy courses and the rest. You see ultimate fonts. Ultimate fonts. So you just have all this installed on your phone. You don't need to download any font. As you can see, extra fonts and they are all selected and listed in their order of importance. All right. So we have many of them. So all these I am sharing with you for free. You just have to subscribe, like, and you get all this installed on your phone with no need, no password, nothing included. So all these are for free just to help you in your graphic design career. All right. So these are the files. This is more than this, so you just need to go through all of them using the access link. All right. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys next in my next tutorial.